Hello dear student, hope you all are fine. So last day we have learned a new thing, that is Kavitya. Hope you remember. So today we will learn the very specified parts of that Kavitya and some more movements of Kavitya, and there is a new movement series of Ta Thei Tata Thei A Thei Tata Thei. That series of Ta Thei Tata Thei A Thei Tata Thei. That also we are going to learn, and then let's begin with Bhumi Pranam as we go. Bhumi Pranam and some basic steps or basic movements of Kathak, Tatkar, Tatkar with Hastak, and Kramalay Tatkar, Egun, Dugun, Chogun, and Tihar. So let's begin with Bhumi Pranam. Stand in a position. This is called Samapad. Fit together. This is called Samapad, and this is a position. This is called Utpatti. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's begin with Kramalaya Tatkar. I will read in a single pace, that is Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Dha, Dhin, Dhin, Dha, Na, Tin, Tin, Na, Tit, Dhin, Dhin, Dha. So this way I will be going reading, but while I'll be dancing, that time I'll be multiplying the speeds. So the sound will be getting the read, whatever I'll be reading out, that will be in a same pace, but my activity will be going faster. Sometimes I'll be multiplying with 2, sometimes will multiplying with 4. So as a result, the speed will be increased. Kramalaya Tatkar. So in this Tatkar, the basic pattern of Tatkar, it will remain same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yani Ta, Thei, Thei, Tat, A, Thei, Thei, Tat. This will keep on going in the same way, but speed may increase. So there would be a rule like for Tintal, it is 1 to 16 we will go. Then again next 16, next time I will just shift to another speed. And then again when that 16 will be completed, and then again I will switch over on to some other speed. So just see here, 1. Now this time I will be counting from 1 to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1. So it's my decision that I have stopped on 1. Even whosoever dances, they have to come back on 1. And again I'll be doing, and you can carry on with me. So with Ta Thei Thei Tat A Thei Thei Tat, I'm again doing Ta Thei Thei Tat A Thei Thei Tat Ta Thei Thei Tat A Thei Thei Tat Ta ta, hey, hey, ta, ah, hey, hey, ta, hey, hey, ta, ah, hey, hey, ta, hey, hey, ta, ah, hey, hey, ta. So this was entire Kramalaya Tatka, and it's a matter of practice. A dancer can go in any of the numbers 1, 2, 3, half, 1/4, many, but it needs lot of practice. But right now you will be practicing 1, 2 and 4, ek gun, do gun and chaugun. So after Kramalaya, before we end it up, we have to follow up a Tihai. Tihai was ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta tha. So one thing, one particular portion, when it is been repeated thrice, then it is called Tihai. So the very one part, how is that one part? Ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the ta the the tat a the the tat the ta the. This is a part, single part, and it has to be repeated twice more and altogether thrice. So let's do it. 2, 3, start. Ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, the, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, the, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, the, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, the, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, the, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, the. Once more we will be doing ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, the, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, the, ta, the, tat, a, the, tat, the, ta, tha. And this hand has to little stretched out tha. This is a complete thing. Since from your Theka, Dugun, Chaugun, then followed by Tihai, it has to end. So I am doing the entire set of Kramalaya along with Tihai. So let's do it with me. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, Theka, Dha, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Dha, Na, Din, Na, Teet, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Dha, Na, Din, Na, Teet, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Dha, Dha, Din, Dha, Na, Din, Na, Teet, Din, Dha, Ta, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ta, Din, Ta, Ti, Ta, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ta, Din, Ta, Ti, Ta, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ta, Din, Ta, Ti, Ta, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ta, Din, Ta, Ti, Ta, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ta, Din, Ta, Ti, Ta, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ta, Din, Ta, Ti, Ta, Ti, Ta, A, Ti, Ta, Din, ten, ten, na, tet, then, na. So this is the thing to be practiced very nicely. So let's switch over to the next thing, as I was asking you to, that I'll be explaining you today. It's a term, ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. This is a basic footstep, but along with this, it will be little bit changed to each other. 1, 2, 3 step. Ta will be just walking on a straight line. Ta, thei. Thei will be just like this. In front of this right leg, thei. Then ta, thei. Right now I am not teaching you the hand movement. You just learn this footstep this way. This will be like a 90 degree. Then again, a, thei will be cross in front of this left leg. Thei, your ta, thei. Left, right, left. So again, let's do it. Ta, thei, cross it again. Just put your left leg in front of right leg. Thei, ta, thei. Then for the left side, arm in left. So we will consider always for left. So thei will be put just in front of left leg. Then left leg will be lifted up like this. That you have to stand on your toe, just like this. Thei, then ta, thei. Again. So hand, how is the hand movement? Ta, just like as you are seeing your face or you are reading a book, just like that. Ta, thei, ta, thei. You have to just forcefully have to open your hand. Ta, thei. So ta, thei. Thei is this like this. Then ta, thei. Forcefully open. Ta, thei. Then go for left. A, thei, ta, thei. And how to look on ta, thei, ta, thei. You don't have to look in your hand. Just through this hand, even if it is, your face is hidden, even then you have to, through this hand, you have to look straight, far. Ta, thei, ta, thei, forcefully, your hand and move head forcefully will be wherever the side you are going, be it right side or left side, it's going to open. Ta, thei. Then a, thei, ta, thei. Ta, thei, ta, thei. A, thei, ta, thei. Ta, thei, ta, thei. A, thei, ta, thei. Ta, thei, ta, thei. A, thei, ta, thei. So this is a very basic ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. We can number it 1. This is number 1. Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. And the same thing as you have done Kramalaya, whatever the movement you do and whatever the movement I have given you, even in the Hastak with Tatkar, that also and this also, you can do it in a various speed. So let's see. Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. Then ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei, a, thei. This way. So whatever the movement will be coming on your way, you can practice in a 3 segments: basic, little bit medium pace and the faster speed. So we'll be going for next ta, thei, ta, thei. How is that? Cross, thei, ta, thei, cross, thei, ta, thei. And always you remember this ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei will be a movement of displacement. So you have to go from one place to another place. Again from another place to come back to the another place. So this is the movement that you can move here and there. So again just see ta. This time ta thi कैसे होगा? Ta will be cross. Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. So let's do it with the hand movement. Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. So first right leg will go at the corner, then your hand will be in a roundish movement. Ta, thei. Thei will come here and you have to tap your left leg. Right, left, right, left, right. The same way, left, right. You will be the corner you are working, that we will be looking at. A, thei, ta, thei. Clear? So do it again. Ta, thei. If you are using your right leg, that means this time your ta will be going toward the left corner. Ta, thei, ta, thei. A, see you are using your left leg. A, but toward the right direction. Your hand will be going to the right corner. A, thei, ta, thei. Clear? Now, two more ta thi ta thi, a thi ta thi. Two more ta thi ta thi, a thi ta thi will be learning. Like ta. Now I will be going diagonally. Wherever you are standing, diagonally I will be going. Ta, thi. The same. Number one, as you have done number one, ta, thi, ta, thi. The same way placement little bit change. Ta will be at the very low, just beside your waistline. Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. Here you will have to make your hand roundish movement. Ta, thei, ta, thei. So how that would be? Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. So how is that? Small circle, ta, thei. You have to keep thei, ta, thei, then you have to round your waist. Ta, thei, then a, thei, ta, thei. Again, 1, 2, 3, start. Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. So hand will be diagonally like this. Ta, thei, ta, thei. So that was number 3. Number 4. We'll take a round. Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. Foot shape will be same. The arrangement of your foot shape, like right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, that will remain same. So ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. So how that would be? Ta, thei, ta, thei, a, thei, ta, thei. Number 1 hastak. We will be using number 1 hastak in this ta, thi, ta, thi, a, thi, ta, thi. See? Ta, thei, ta, thei. Ta, thei will come back in the front. Then a, thei, ta ta thei, ta thei, ta ta thei, a thei, ta ta thei. Again, this number 4, ta thei ta ta thei, a thei ta ta thei, ta thei, ta ta thei, a thei, ta ta thei, ta thei, ta ta thei, a thei, ta ta thei. So you will be practicing this 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 types of ta thi, ta ta thi, a thi, ta ta thi in various speed as well. So now we will be coming back to whatever we have learned last week, a new Kavita. You remember what Kavita is? It is a poem. It's a rhythmic poem that is being used in कथक डांस की कविता की हम इसे बताएंगे जिसके साथ कविता के साथ जिसमें नृत्य के बोल भी जुड़ा हुआ हो उसे हम कवितांगी कहेंगे एंड दैट वाज हाउ दैट वाज चंद्र चपल कर आरती शिव की धीधि कीट थुन थुन गंगा लत कर नाचत शंकर त्राम थे त्राम तत्ता 1 तत्ता 2 तत्ता 3 तत्ता 4 तत्ता था. So we have learned that time some part of it. Now today we can learn the entire Kavita. So how that was? Dha, then, dha, dha, then, da, dikte, na, then, na, Peter, then, da, Chandra, chapal, kar. Again, Chandra, this mudra we will be using as it is above Lord Shiva's jata, this crescent moon. So, Chandra, chapal, this, like this we will be using. Chapal kar, take a left turn, Arati Shiva ki. This we have shown that day. This is Shivalinga, Shiva ki. Dhi ki ta, चार पैर में चक्कर लेंगे. Dhi ki ta, thun. That day we have used single hand, so both the hands we can play damru. Thun. Clear? Dhi ki ta, thun. Ganga khalat kar. This is jata. Ganga. Only like this wavy, that as it falls down, this Ganga, river Ganga. Ganga khalat kar nachat shankar. Tram, hey, tram, tatta 1, tatta 2, tatta 3, tatta 4, tatta dha. So the last one that we will be standing as like Shiv Murti or Nataraj, जैसे तत्ता 1, तत्ता 2, तत्ता 3, तत्ता 4, तत्ता 5. Holding this damru, lifting up on one leg, this. Again, da din da, nanda na din na din da, da din da, nanda na din na din da, da din da, nanda na din na din da, da din da, nanda na din na. Chandra chapal kar arati shiva ki. Dhi kita thun ganga kar nachat shankar tram tatta 2 tatta 4 tatta dha. Tinna, Nadin, Tinna, Tinna. So this way it ends here. So till then, as much today you have learned, you must keep practicing these things. These are the very intricate part of Kathak. Since from the Bhumi Pranam, Kramala Tatka, Tathi Tatathe, and this Kavitva. This is your task. You must keep practicing. Hope we will meet soon. Till then, do well. Keep yourself healthy. Stay safe.